Good morning! How's everybody doing today? I was up very early this morning. I just showered, worked out, went to Starbucks. I had myself a morning already and it is only 10:15. I kept getting comments on my most recent TikToks about how I keep my under eyes so bright. So I have a new product that I'm going to show you guys in today's video. So stay tuned because we're going to cut to me getting ready in a minute. I'm just going to go blow dry my hair and then we can start the day. So my last two TikTok videos, I've had so many people asking what I did for my under eye, how I have no creases and how it was looking so bright. So I'm going to show you how I get a very smooth, bright looking under eye using the Revolution brand new IRL filter finish. Mine is in the color C3 and I am obsessed with this concealer. So I am going to do one eye and I'll show you the difference. My under eyes are like, they've always been dark. So I just like to apply it. IRL stands for in real life filter. And I'm not even joking. When I posted the first video of me wearing this concealer, I had someone asking if I was wearing a filter. And I was like, I knew I was gonna film this video today to show you guys. And it just has such a beautiful finish. So I like to apply that under the eyes and then also on the sides of my lips. For a little more coverage, because I'm not contouring my nose, I'm gonna apply right here in the center of my brows, and then I'm just gonna do like a line down my nose. And I really love the applicator for this product. See how it's curved? So you don't even need to use a concealer brush. So when I do it on the sides of my nose, I'm gonna just blend around the edges to keep it really, really bright. So sometimes when I'm like more in a rush, I will use a brush to apply concealer, but I am using the Revolution sponge. And let me tell you, this guy is soft. So you could see the difference, the brightening effect, and it covers up all of the darkness that I have. I wanted to do half of my face to show you, and I'm gonna do the rest and then we'll set it, and I'm just gonna give you some facts about this concealer as I am finishing up. As you guys know, I've been in the market for new concealers for a bit now, so I've been trying a bunch, and I would have to say this one has quickly become a new favorite of mine. Their IRL foundation is what went viral on TikTok last year, so now they made a concealer, which is awesome. It does have buildable coverage, which I love. It has a matte finish, and it has Detox in it, which is okra extract, which plumps the skin, and it's also cruelty-free, which is always a plus. One of my favorite things about the Revolution brand is how affordable it is, but their products are quality. Every time I go into Ulta, I always get something from them. Concealer is oil-free, but it is super hydrating at the same time. They have 30 different shades, so you could even use the shades to contour and highlight as well as conceal, just depending on the look that you're going for. But I love how lightly it feels on the skin, and you can see it has like a nice moisturizing effect. There's no dry skin here. And I have been suffering from like dry skin from the new skincare that I've been using, and I mentioned that in my last video. But with this, I've had no issues of creasing, no issues of feeling like super dry, which is my biggest pet peeve. Before you set it, you wanna make sure you are blending out. I get the most creases like right directly under my eye. And then apply your setting powder after you had blend. So I will let that set for a minute and then we'll wipe away the powder and I'll show you guys like the final result. But highly recommend the Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer. You guys will not be disappointed. I have tried so many different concealers the past like 2 months. That was my goal. I wanted to try and find some new ones because I used the same one for just the longest time. And I've never gotten more compliments on my bright under eyes than I did in my last 2 videos when I used this product. So for anyone interested in trying this, you can use code Carli20 at checkout on Revolution Beauty. I can't wait for you guys to try it because you guys are gonna be as obsessed as I am. So I'm just gonna do my regular routine off camera really quick, and then I'll be back in a minute to show you guys the final result. So I just finished up my makeup. I gotta fix my hair in a little bit. I'm running a little bit late. I have such a busy day today. I have a call that I have to hop on in like 2 minutes, and then I'll come back to figure out what I'm gonna wear for the day. Once Lorenzo wakes up from his nap, I'm going to meet my mom and my grandma for like a brunch at this place called Brownstone Pancake Factory. Lorenzo's obsessed. Just wait till you see like what the stuff that they have there. So yeah, look at these under eyes though. So bright, no creasing. I'm gonna check in at the end of the day and I'll show you guys how amazing it is, but I am a huge fan. And when I find new products that I love, they're gonna be like a favorite for life. So I will see you guys in a little bit and you guys will help me figure out what to wear today. Does anyone like me and take Zoom calls from their car? It's like my only place I feel it could be like super private. I don't know, just me, no? So these are my new stools that I got from my kitchen. I'm getting a new table and new chairs. So the chairs that I got are very similar to this, same fabric. They're in here now because I got them Scotch guarded and they were just drying, so that's why they're not out there yet. So I also had the kicks of the stairs painted white. I don't know if you guys remember, they were all like the color of the steps beforehand. So I made the executive decision to paint them white and I'm very happy with my choice. I think I'm gonna do the railings black. I have to see because my dining room's over here. It's still not done. All I have is the dining table and my chairs and the chandelier. This whole wall like isn't, obviously it's like empty in here. I want to do like big panels and then more molding, but the vibe is like black and gold. So these are my chairs. They're like that same type of buccal fabric, which I love. This table is from Vanessa and the chandelier, Vanessa de Leon. I'll link everything where I got, but again, nothing's done yet. I was waiting for so long and I just started ordering everything because the rendering for the dining room I wasn't obsessed with, so I'm kind of just doing my own thing in this room at the moment. Hello, Barry on the window. Hello, Barry on the window. So black front door, black railings. This room I'm gonna have very dark and moody with the black table, the black light. So I figured like adding some black would be really cool. Let me know your thoughts. I'm getting something new for this table. I actually reached out to this florist to do something like a big vase with like branches and stuff. I'll show you like an inspo photo. I hung my beautiful mirror. So my house is still a work in progress, so I'm not gonna show you guys it all until I'm done, but I figured I would update you a little bit. So the guy's gonna come and finish painting tomorrow, but this part's painted. I'm adding a door here because this is gonna be my beauty room. But look how beautiful the moldings look, I'm obsessed. So he painted over here as well. I'm gonna put like some pictures here. On this wall, I got a sconce and another sconce and then a big picture blown up of me and Renzi that I'm gonna hang there. So they finished this part today. I'm gonna get a big light for up here. I don't know what yet. Obviously this all needs to be painted. I'm so happy. So I highly, highly suggest for anyone in Jersey, Gold Home Renovations. They do a insane job. Welcome to the chaos. That is my closet. So I know I showed you guys a little preview before. So what I'm thinking of doing is getting like flowers and intertwining them, like probably hanging them on the wall. I don't know if I want it low, maybe high or up. Like, I don't know, I see it as like a branch with some flowers like curved around the room, maybe like across there, up on the top to like make it look a little bit more pretty. I don't love how these are like blocking the window, but I don't know. So we don't know about this area yet. I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple as far as like the building process. I'm still not done with all this, but again, flowers, 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 because eventually I might have to make this a bedroom if and when I have more children. Oh, hi. Hi, Errands. Mommy's just getting dressed.
Bow.
What?
Bow.
Yeah, it's Bo. Look, is that Bo? Yeah, who's on Mommy's shirt?
Bow.
Yeah, is that your favorite kitty? Is he your favorite? Can you say hi? Say hi. No? Okay. Yeah,
You're okay. You know, you're back into the door. You're okay.
No.
You and your saggy boobs. You're 30. Your boobs are gonna start sagging a little bit.
You say I'm 32, my boobs are gonna start.
I was like, yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Mine have been saggy.
Like maybe like a little leather jacket. Or that dramatic. That's Mama's phone. Yes, thank you.
Gigi, Mama.
Yeah, guess who we're gonna go see?
Go-go.
Yeah, guess who else?
Gigi.
Yes, Gigi and Go-Go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cute.
I don't know, guys. I think I'm just gonna find a sweatshirt. We're gonna just put this sweater. It's like a little cropped sweater. I'm just gonna button it. What are you doing? No. What are you doing? You wear mama's shoes? Look at you. Oh. You're hilarious. Hello. So I'm all dressed, obviously, out the door. We are heading to Brownstone Pancake Factory. So I took Lorenzo here a couple weeks ago, and all he's been doing the past couple of days has been asking to watch videos of himself from the last time that we went. No joke. So I'm like, I knew today, I put it on my calendar because I knew I wanted to carve out a little bit of time to go and take him to his new favorite restaurant. So a good friend of mine and also my designer, Vanessa De Leon, her and her husband are actually the owners of the Brownstone Pancake Factories. There's a few of them in Jersey, and it is so amazing. I'm so happy that there's one closer to us now because the menu is honestly ridiculous. Last time he called the French toast cook-cooks, which is a cookie. He thought it was a cookie, and when I tell you the past week, all he kept saying is cook-cook, cook-cook. Like, he loves watching videos of himself, which is hilarious, and he kept asking to see cook-cook. So we're gonna go get Mr. Renzy Pants a cook-cook. Right, Renz? Who are we gonna go see?
Cook-cook.
Yeah, cook-cook. Who are we gonna go see, though?
Cook-cook.
Who are we gonna see?
Cook-cook.
Yeah, Go-Go, and who else? And Gigi, yay! I said, who do you want to go see? And he said, Go-Go. I said, who else? He said, Gigi.
Can I make kisses?
Yeah.
He's looking around.
He loves you. You have a happy?
Team already.
Wow. Isn't it so cute? What is that?
An iced cappuccino.
Oh, Renz. Wow. Lorenzo, look what's here.
Not worried about that. Oh my God.
Wow, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Instead of curly, you got it.
Look at mommy.
What is that? Cook? Say hi. Yay. Is that cook?
Happy.
Aww.
You make Gigi happy. You make Gigi happy. Yes. You want to go on?
It's the fried Twinkie shake.
Oh my gosh. This is from Vanessa. Thank you. Oh my god.
It's like here.
Is that yummy? I am so full. It was so delicious, but Lorenzo wanted to go in Go-Go's car, so Lorenzo's with my mom, but it actually worked out perfectly because now I'm going to sneak away to get a pedicure really quick because I have a charity event tomorrow night and I'm wearing like a fancy red outfit and my toes are neon green still from Florida, so that's just not gonna work. It's been a minute since I've had a pedicure too, so I'm excited. There's some songs that just melt the heart. I just love this freaking song, and I love him.
Keeps a hand on the gun.
Can't trust anyone. We are almost done with the molding. Dum 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 dum. We got a rug for the bathroom, guys. Let's see if it's good. Renz, can you help us?
Oh.
That's the wrong color now.
Man. No, it has all the colors.
You wanted the warmth.
Yeah, but I feel like it's not orange enough.
Orange.
Yeah. For
You
all
want
the colors.
orange?
Oh no, it's pretty. Oh yeah. Pretty.
Oh, it's perfect.
Woo! Yeah.
Perfect size.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Renz, you like it? No, you don't. You don't like it? Okay, oh, let's see the new. I have blisters all over my toes from my shoes in Florida.
Red to match.
Oh, it's soft. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
There's your cat. I have some laundry to put away.
No. What are you doing? You're funny. What did you just say?
Happy.
You're happy? Did you have the best day, my baby? Want to watch more videos from today?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go sleep, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you. Little makeup check-in. I have red lips now. I had to film some content for work. It's the end of the night. I just got Renzi down and I cannot wait to shower for the second time. And then I have to put a tan on because I have a big event tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. So I just wanted to do a check-in and show you guys how amazing my skin is looking still. I haven't used any powder or anything and it's still looking fresh and super bright, which I love. I'm gonna go shower. My skincare routine I just posted as well. So if you wanna see my nighttime skincare routine, check that out on my previous video. And I'll probably come in one more time to say goodnight to you guys, but I'm gonna go shower and wash the day off of me. Currently in bed, just finishing editing for the night. I have a tan on, that's why I look a little crazy. I was in bed editing and after Renz was sleeping for like an hour, he woke up and I had to go and rock him and get him back. I feel like he's going through like a little bit of a sleep regression at the moment, but he's sleeping now. I'm almost done editing and then I'm gonna hit the hay. So cheesy, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want more daily vlogs. This was super fun and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm all ready to go. This outfit is literally to die for. The Uber is here and my friends just arrived. See you guys in a little bit.